topic kasi, especially now na maraming mag-i-end na ng school year.
Good afternoon, Elevate, please. We're going to understand others by understanding you. Our unique career in finance path. Sino excited? Ako! Yun! Thank you so much, brother. So, ano ang tawag natin sa kanila? Area of us. So, they are called dominant ego. Kaya dahil na, very result-driven sila, kailangan matapos to, kailangan magawa to, very impatient sila. Alright, maybe we're wrong. These are the people. So, you are called the steady character. Bigyan mo nga kung ano, kung mukha siyang literal relationship, let's say, makisama, learn from them. We're going to deepen our relationship by helping each other as a community in Elevate Feliz. I did part-time because of want and need. Nawala father ko, graduating ako, then I need to work to support my mother. Pero hindi niya alam na nag-work ako.
I think that.
Kasi hindi niya ako mapayagan. As mentioned by Brother James, walang balance. So work ko 10 to 7 ng gabi, mag-aaral ako sa POP 9 to 6. Saan natulog doon? Do you think it's healthy?
Oo.
So, hindi siya healthy. Correct. Pero kailangan ko, tsaka gusto ko, may mga flexible companies, may urgency. Pero kung wala namang urgency, focus on studies. There are 3 things that you could gain. Una is experience, may edge ka na compared to other good graduating students. Second one is earnings. Like kami, hindi naman kami sobrang well-off until now naman. Last one is exposure. You'll be exposed to different culture, different people. Di ko pala makakasundo to. Bakit doon siya magsalita? So at least hindi na kayo mag-culture shock.